This chapter is about different types of valves using in piping industries with their advantages and disadvantages. So let's start. Valves are used for the control of volume and pressure of fluid moving through the piping or in enclosed vessel. Valve can be operated manually or by an actuator to change and control the flow. These actuators can be pneumatic, hydraulic or electrically operated. The valve not only control the fluid but also control liquids, gases, vapors, slurries or dry materials. The cost of the valves are very expensive as compared to other piping components. In the piping system, valves are installed for the following functions: isolation, regulation, non-return, safety relief, and special purpose. In this picture, you can see the different types of valve used based on their functions. There are various types of valves are using in piping industries like gate, globe, check, butterfly valve, etc.